I'm Sydney.
And I'm Armando.
And today we're going to talk to you about lists and how to construct them. So we construct our lists by creating node objects, and it's just a chain of node objects. So we're going to use our cons function to do that. So we're going to set up cons, and the first argument is going to be whatever the node value is we want to tack onto our list. So we're just going to say z. And then the next argument is what comes next in the list. So in this case, it's just null, because that's the first thing in our list. So we're just going to have z pointing to nothing.
So the actual output of this function right here would just be simply z and then null. Okay, so now what we can do with this then is actually set this to a variable. So let's just call this variable a. And then we can actually use that variable inside another cons function. And then, so like for example, we can do cons y, and then the variable a, which is basically this right here. And so then our output would now change to be y to z to null.
So we can actually use this entire cons call as our second argument instead of null or instead of a. So we can just nest our cons functions by putting parentheses, by saying that this is our second argument and putting whatever node we want to tack on to the beginning of that before. So in this case it's going to be x, and that would be our entire argument. And we're going to say cons. So we're saying cons of x onto cons of y and a, so y, z, null. And then our final output of this would be